I'm going to show you two sample bibliographies today. The first one is really good and used with permission of Tess Barant. The second one is a disaster. Let's look at Tess's. She starts out really well by giving us a very narrow topic. It's not only about hula, but about a spiritual tradition that becomes a cliche. She put them in alphabetical order by author last name, and she kept a consistent format. You'll notice she uses italics all throughout for her titles. Watch your capitalization rules. You'll see they're consistent. And cleverly, she gives evidence of having obtained them by snapping photos in this case. And I'll just scroll through here and you'll see the other photos. And again, look at the good formatting. Here's an example of interlibrary loan request. She doesn't have this yet, but she showed that it's on order with the official form from the library. If she's using dictionaries or encyclopedias, they're from the reference section of the library and they're music specific rather than something like Encyclopedia Britannica, and she has at least 7 resources. As we scroll through a little bit farther, we see that she has a variety of research types. She has a good video recording here, for example. Now let's look at the bad bibliography. Dance of Argentina, way too broad. We don't know where this person is going. If I count the resources, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of them. They're out of alphabetical order, so she has C before B. This person is using a mixture of styles, so you'll notice we have italics for a title here, but we have underlining here. We have some titles that use the lowercase on the nouns and some titles that don't. They're both valid, but you can't do a mixture. Furthermore, we have a .com Encyclopedia Britannica article that is very, very general. And we have a web page that's a .com, which means commercial, and they're trying to sell a product. So all of the problems here make this a very poor grade. I think we went through them all, but not enough resources, too broad, not in alphabetical order, more than one format used, and no evidence that the person has obtained any of this.